Do you believe in the Bible?
Yes.
Do you believe it's the word of God?
100%.
So no mistakes?
No mistakes.
Okay, let me ask you. Isaiah was 22 years old when he became king, and he reigned 1 year in Jerusalem. His mother's name was Athaliah, the granddaughter of Omri, right? Is that correct?
If this is the Bible, yeah, that's correct.
This is the Bible?
Yeah.
Okay. 42 years old when he became king and reigned 1 year in Jerusalem.
How do you make it into heaven?
Listen, you're not answering the Bible, you're jumping. Let me ask you a question. You're jumping. Listen. No jump. We're having a conversation, don't jump. You said this is the word of God, 100% correct.
Amen.
Isaiah, was he 22 or 42? So you have no answer. Like you're stuck now, right?
Well, I don't care about how old
you don't care about the Bible?
I want to know if Jesus is the only way.
Is the Bible the word of God?
Yes, it is.
Then how can it have a mistake?
It does have mistakes.
Okay, then how old was Isaiah?
This guy says he's 42.
This guy or the Bible?
Well, this guy that's...
Isaiah was 42 when he became king, right? And how long did he rule? 1 year in Jerusalem.
Okay.
Was his mother's name? Athaliah,
okay,
the granddaughter of Omri.
Okay.
In the same Bible, as I just showed you, it says Isaiah was 22 when he became king. And the same 1 year, same mother, same grandfather.
Okay.
So which one is it? Do you agree that's a mistake?
No, that's not a mistake.
How can you be 22 and 42 at the same time?
Are you saying the Bible is inaccurate?
It is inaccurate. You just saw it in front of you.